Good morning everyone. Welcome back in maths class. In previous video we have done exercise 1.5. Now we will do exercise 1.6. In exercise 1.6 we will find the nearest tens, nearest hundred and nearest thousand. How we find the nearest tens, nearest hundred and nearest thousand? In previous class also we have read about these. Now in question number first we will find the nearest tens. How we find the nearest tens? For finding the nearest tens, we will check the ones digit. We will check our ones digit. If our ones digit is less than 5, so what we do? We keep remaining digit same and we will make 0 to ones digit. Okay? It means ones digit we will make 0, replace by ones digit 0 and remaining digits we will write same. Now, suppose that we are taking 22. We are finding nearest tens of 22. What we do firstly? We will check our ones digit. Here our ones digit is 2. 2 is less than 5. Always we compare with 5. 2 is less than 5. So what we do? We put 0 on the ones place and remaining digits keep same. Remaining digits we will write same. Clear? It means if the digit at the ones place is less than 5, replace the ones digit by 0 and keep the other digits same. Okay? Keep the other digits. Here anything we will write same digit and we put on the ones place 0. If suppose that our ones digit is more than 5, 5 or more than 5. So what we do? Our ones digit is 5 or more than 5. What we do? Replace the ones digit by 0. Same process. Replace the ones digit by 0 and we increase 1 in tens digit. We increase 1 in tens digit. Here is 7 and 7 is greater than 5. So what do we do? Keep 0 on the ones place and increase 1 in the tens digit. Here our tens digit is 2. When we increase 1 into what we get? 3. It means 30 is rounding of 27 and here 20. Clear? We will find this type, these questions. Now our question first 63. Here is 63. We will find the nearest tens. Here we will write here the ones digit. What is ones digit here? 3. So we write 3 and we compare with 5. 3 is less than 5. So we use here less than symbol. It means the ones digit 3 less than 5. So 63 is rounded off to what we do? Put 0 on the ones place and same as we write tens because here our ones digit is less than 5. So we write here same. Here is 6. So we write 6 and on the ones place we keep 0. Clear? In B part here also our ones digit is less than 5. So we don't change anything. Only ones place we will write 0. Write here firstly the ones digit. What is ones digit here? 2 and 2 is also less than 5. So 7552 is rounded off to what we do? On the ones place we write 0 and remaining digits we will write same. It means 7550. Clear? Now our C part. The ones place. What is ones place here? It means ones digit. We will write here ones digit 3. 3 is also less than 5. So we write here less than 5. Now, so 9523 is rounded off. What we do? Is rounded off to 9520. Okay, rounded off to 9520. Only we keep 0 on the ones place and remaining digit we will write same. I hope you understand. Now we do question number second. Now we will do question number second. In question number second we will find the rounding nearest 100. It means our question number second, round the given numbers to the nearest 100. We have to find here nearest 100. For nearest 100 we will check tens digit. Here is 100, we will check tens digit. Same rule. It means when our tens digit is less than 5, replace the tens and ones digit by 0. Keep the other digit same. Okay? It means our tens digit is less than 5. Replace the tens and ones digit by 0. And remaining digits we will write same. Okay? If our tens digit is greater than 5 or equal 5. If our tens digit is greater than 5 or equal 5, then what we do? Replace the tens and ones digit by 0 and 100 digit we will increase by 1. It means in this we replace ones and tens digit by 0 and we increase 1 if our tens digit is equal 5 or more than 5. If our tens digit is less than 5, we don't increase 100 digit. We will write these digits same and ones and tens digit we replace by 0. Okay. Now we do question number second. Here we write tens digit. The tens digit. What is tens digit here? What is tens digit here? 8. 8 is greater than 5. So we use here greater than symbol. Now, so 32,589 is rounded off to, what we do? We write here 0 on the ones place and tens place also we write 0, and here 100 place is 100 digit is 5. What we do? Increase 1. Why? Because our tens digit is greater than 5. So when we increase 1, what we get? 6, and remaining digits we will write same. It means 32,600. Now our B part. What we do in B part? We check tens digit. For finding the nearest 100, we will check tens digit only. What we write here? The tens digit. Tens digit. What is tens digit here? 1. And we compare by 5. 1 is less than 5, so we write here less than symbol. The tens digit 1 less than 5. So 63,214 is rounded off to, what we do? On the ones digit here we replace by 0 and tens digit also. Now here our tens digit is 1, which is less than 5. So we don't increase 1. We will write same. It means 2. Okay. And remaining digits same we will write. It means 63,200. Now our next question, C part. Here what is tens digit? Tens digit 6, and 6 is greater than 5. Always we compare by 5. 6 is greater than 5. So 4,78,965 is rounded off to, what we do? On the ones place we write ones digit, we write 0. Tens digit also we write 0. And what we do in the hundred digit? Increase by 1, because our tens digit is greater than 5. When we increase 1, it means in the 9, when we add 1, we get 10. So 10 we write as 0. And 1 carry we use here. It means 79. And here 4. It means 4,79,000. This is nearest 100. Clear that? I have explained in this video only question first and second. You will do all parts of question first and second in your fair notebook. Clear, students? I hope you understand. If you face any problem, you can ask on WhatsApp group. Okay? You will do properly. Okay? Neat and clean. In good handwriting, you will write these questions and use solution by these. Thank you.